other day. We came to the world in the usual way, but there were pennies to catch and bills to pay. He learned to walk while I was away, and he was talking before I knew it. And as he grew, he said, I'm gonna be just like you, Dad. You know I'm gonna be like you. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you're coming home, Dad, I don't know when. We'll get together then, son. You know we'll have a good time then.
My son turned in just the other day. He said, thanks for the bob, Dad, come on, let's play. Can you teach me to throw? I said, not today, I got a lot to do. He said, that's okay. Then he walked away and he smiled every day. He said, I'm gonna be like him, yeah. You know I'm gonna be like him.
And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you're coming home, Dad, I don't know when. We'll get together then, son. You know we'll have a good time then. Well, he came home from college just the other day. So much like a man, I just had to say, son, I'm proud of you. Can you sit for a while? He shook his head and then said with a smile, what I really like, Dad, is to borrow a car keys. See you later, Dad, can I have them, please? And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon, little boy blue and the man on the moon. When you're coming home, son, I don't know when. We'll get together then, Dad, you know we'll have a good time then.
I've long since retired and my son's moved away. I called him up just the other day. Said I'd like to see you if you don't mind. He said I'd love to, Dad, if I could find the time. You see, my new job's a hassle and the kids have got the flu. But it sure is nice talking to you, Dad. It's been sure nice talking to you.
And as I hung up the phone, it occurred to me, he grew up just like me. My boy was just like me. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon,